Ever feel like you're missing out on the biggest money-making waves? Like your friends are buying Lamborghinis with crypto while you're still stuck budgeting for coffee? What if I told you there's a $37.55 billion industry set to explode to over $182 billion by 2034 that could be your ticket to financial freedom? I'm talking about Web3 gaming, and specifically the project called XAI. Is it your next 10x opportunity or a total bust? Let's find out. What's up, financial mavericks and gaming enthusiasts? You're in your 20s or 30s. You're hungry for serious cash. And you're probably wondering, how do I jump into crypto without getting burned? Today, we're spotlighting XAI, not Elon Musk's AI, but the game changer in Web3 gaming. We're talking numbers, potential, and how you can get involved. Get ready, because this is going to be a wild ride. The golden opportunity. Numbers don't lie. XAI explained, bridging billions to blockchain. What's XAI all about? Imagine this. The items you earn in your favorite games, that rare sword, that epic skin, are truly, unequivocally yours. Not just pixels controlled by a company, but digital assets with real value you can sell, trade, or even rent to others. That's XAI. It's built on Arbitrum Layer 3, a lightning-fast blockchain designed to onboard billions of traditional gamers into Web3 without them even noticing the crypto part. We're talking about a gaming market that's already a colossal $200+ billion annually. And Web3 gaming? It's just getting started. XAI is tackling a massive challenge, bringing the ease of use of Steam, with its 120 million daily active users, into the blockchain world. They're making it seamless, eliminating complex crypto wallets and confusing gas fees. This is about transforming your playtime into profit time. Why should you be hyped about XAI right now? Because they're positioned to capture a huge slice of that exploding Web3 gaming pie. The market is forecasted to hit $182.98 billion by 2034, growing at an insane 19.24% SAGR. XAI isn't just a random coin. It's backed by Off-Chain Labs, the brains behind Arbitrum, which itself boasts a market cap of over $1.6 billion. They've allocated a massive $100 million incentive program to attract top game developers. We're already seeing impressive stats. Over 40,000 games integrated with their Raijin platform, with players winning thousands in daily rewards. Imagine turning your gaming hours into consistent income. That's the dream XAI is chasing. Could this be your chance to turn passion into profit and leave that daily grind behind? The harsh reality, don't get burned. The dark side, extreme volatility and real risks. All right, hold up. Before you go all in, let's talk about the cold, hard truth. Crypto is a wild beast, and XAI is no exception. It's highly volatile. Just look at the numbers. XAI saw a minus 20.44% drop over the last month and a staggering 82.48% change over the last year. That's not just a dip. That's a roller coaster that can make your stomach drop. You could see your investment rocket, or you could see it vanish. Remember the fear of missing out? Well, there's also the very real fear of losing 100% of your investment. The Web3 gaming space is fiercely competitive. Only a fraction of projects truly make it big. Regulatory changes, major hacks, we've seen billions lost. Or even a shift in player preferences could wipe out your gains. Never, ever invest money you can't afford to lose. Got it? Your shield. Do your own research. So how do you avoid becoming another sad crypto statistic? Do your own damn research. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Don't just listen to me or anyone else on the internet. Did you know nearly 39% of past crypto owners no longer hold crypto, often due to losses from impulsive decisions? Be a detective. dive into XAI's white paper. Understand their tokenomics. A circulating supply of around 1.7 billion XAI against a max supply of 2.5 billion XAI. Check their team, their partnerships. What games are actually live? Are they hitting their roadmap milestones? Jump into their Discord community. They have tens of thousands of members. The more you know, the less likely you are to make emotional, fear-driven mistakes. Your knowledge is your superpower against volatility. How to invest in XAI, your step-by-step guide. Okay, you are armed with knowledge, you understand the risks, and that excitement is still buzzing. Great. Now, let's get practical. How do you actually buy XAI? It's simpler than you think, but follow these steps precisely. Step 1. Pick a top exchange. Think Binance, KuCoin, or Gate.io. These are major players, processing billions in daily volume. Look for high liquidity and strong security features like 2FA. Step 2. Sign up and verify. KYC. Create your account and complete KYC. You'll need a valid ID. It usually takes a few minutes, sometimes up to 24 hours. This is crucial for your security. Step 3. Fund your account. Deposit money via bank transfer, often cheaper, around 1% fee, or debit transfer card, quicker, but often 2 to 5% fee. Start small, maybe $50, $100 to get a feel for it. Step 4. Buy XAI. Search for XAI on the exchange. You'll see pairs like XAI/USDT. Enter the amount you want to buy, hit buy, and boom, you're in the game. Congratulations, you just bought your first XAI. Play the long game. Mindset is money. Here's the final crucial tip. Are you in for a quick buck or for generational wealth? The Web3 gaming market is projected to reach over $614 billion by 2030. XAI is playing the long game by focusing on mass adoption. If they succeed in bringing millions of traditional gamers into Web3, the upside could be monumental. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about strategic, patient investing. There will be dips, potentially 50 to 70% drops. But if you believe in the long-term vision, you hold on for dear life through the noise. Don't let emotion dictate your decisions. Be smart, be strategic. So, is XAI a good investment? The numbers and the vision are compelling, but the risk is real. It's up to you to do the homework and decide. If this deep dive sparked your interest, if you learned something valuable, or even if you just enjoyed the ride, then please hit that like button. And if you want more cutting-edge insights into crypto, Web3, and how to build serious wealth, then make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's build that financial future together. See you in the next video.